How to log in into Roamans Credit Card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Roamans Credit Card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Roamans on login credit card, and after you do that, here you'll find different websites. Head over to Roamans official website right here. Head over to romans.com, and after you're on the website, what you can do is you can tap on this sign in option that you'll find on the top right. Tap on this sign in option, and after you do that, type in your email address. Use your email address that's associated to your account, and after you type in your email address, you'll need to type in your password. Type that in and then tap on sign in. After you do that, you'll get logged in. There are also other ways, such as signing in with Google or Facebook, to sign in. And yeah, that's how easy it is to sign in into Roamans online card. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.